Andales Paspasi. So proceed sa ta sa laing kategory. 16 to 17 years old, girls intermediate committee minus 48 kilograms. First bout, Christy Alivio of Bisimac versus Samantha Rose Alvarez Au. Again, Christy Alivio of Bisimac versus Alvarez of DCKC. After this bout will be the championship bout of 14 to 15 years old girls intermediate committee minus 47 kilograms of Kabihi Aka versus Andales Au. Again, Kabihi Aka versus Andales Au. Alivio versus Alvarez. Proceed to Tata Maybe. 89 years old girls advanced committee minus 130 centimeters. And then 89 years old girls advanced committee minus 130 centimeters. Aka Luis Marie Capin of Gentao versus Au Sabrina Gersha Malinaw BCAKC and Au Athena Faith Amistoso Gentao. Proceed to Tata Maybe. 10 to 11 years old girls advanced committee minus 140 centimeters. Aka Maria Francesca Carly Tumakay of USJR. Au Pauline Amara Gaze of Gentao. Aka Shane Pugoy and Au Angel Gregorio. Proceed Tata Maybe. Atoshi Bara. Hmm.